who else but Nicki Mons?
All right, YouTube, welcome back to another video from Next Level Garage. We have a 2014 Ford Focus, and this is a 4-cylinder. Today we're going to be replacing the tachometer, the instrumental, the cluster in this vehicle. I had problems with the screen. The screen was acting up a little bit, and you can barely see anything that's on the screen. So I ordered a new one, and I'm going to go ahead and install it. So first thing you do, you have this little piece here that you'll take off, and behind here you have 2 screws, one there and one on the other side, right here. If I can get my camera to focus, right here. You take those screws off, and I think that's pretty much the only thing that's holding it on there, but we'll find out. So I'm gonna take those screws off. So all it took was those 2 screws to take out, and I pulled it on out. You have it's plugged in the back. It's a little clip. So let me see if I can focus on there. So at the top of the clip, you have a piece here that you have to push in. Once you push in, it releases this tab, and it slides this way. And it slides this way, and then you just pull it out. And after that, you just pull it on out. That's the cluster. So this is what it looks like. It plugs in, and it has a little tab right at the top, right here. You have to push that in, and this slides back, and it releases it. And in order to put it back, you push it back in, you lock it back. So we just go and do the opposite of what we just did. So now we're gonna plug the piece back in the back of the cluster. So it just plugs in. Once you plug it in, then you pull the clip back, and it locks it in place. And then from this point, you just slide it back. It should slide back and lock into place. Just be careful and not push the screen. All right. And then those 2 bolts, you just put those 2 bolts back in there, the bottom here, one on this side and one on the other side. All right, so now that we got the bolts back in there, so we gotta put this piece back on. So it should just slide on. Hold the camera. There we go. There we go. Just that simple. It's that simple. Let's test it out. There we go. Have a perfectly good screen. All right. Thanks for watching.